Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide who's going to an event on Partiful. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're setting up an event on Partiful, but you want to hide who's going. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that you're going to go onto the Partiful app. Next, you're going to click on an event that you're hosting, and then from here, you're going to click on Edit. Now, once you click on Edit, you're going to scroll down to where it says More. Click on More, and then from here, you're going to click on Hide Guest List. So now what this does is that it's going to hide the guest list and hide the guest count, and you have different toggle options here as far as you can hide who to show who's going to a party or not. So simply put, as far as showing guest names, you can hide, showing the guest count, you can hide, and you could also show the timestamps in activity feed and hide that as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and hide the guest list on Partiful. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.